Hey there! Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll go over the benefits of multi-page forms in particular, as well as how to make them easily with Happyforms. Let us figure out the benefits of using a multi-page form. Long forms are broken down into parts with multi-page forms, which enhances user experience. Instead of overwhelming your users with a single, lengthy form, picture leading them through an easy procedure. First things first, make sure you have Happyforms installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the plugins section, search for Happyforms, and hit that install button. Now let's create our multi-page form. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Forms, then Add New. Start by naming your form and setting up basic details like description and notification settings. Think of a catchy title that reflects the purpose of your form. Let's add a few fields now. A variety of field kinds, including text fields, checkboxes, and dropdowns, are available with Happyforms. Customize each field to collect the precise data you require. You can also use conditional logic to show or hide fields according to user responses. Now to create a multi-page, head to the Field section, then select Page Break. You can add a name or a label to give a description on that page. Each page break you add is an indication of a new page. For example, if you add another page break from our current form, it will create a third page. You can also personalize the current label of each step. Just head over to the Messages tab. From the very bottom, you can see the option that says Current Page. When you're done creating your form, let's review first our multi-page form. Double-check the layout, field properties, and form settings. Once everything looks good, hit that Publish button and test your form on a live website to ensure everything functions as expected. And there you have it, your very own multi-page form created with Happyforms. Remember, the key to a successful form is not just its design, but also its usability. Experiment with different layouts and features to optimize your forms for maximum engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on WordPress and web design. Until next time, happy form building with Happyforms.